One time I saw something hideous, something I've never seen before. I never want to relive that memory again. But since you guys are here and you want me to, I will.
Ugh. What is that sound? That awful turkey dying sound. Ugh, alright. It's time to solve whatever that noise is. Let's go. Okay, I need to crouch because I don't want whatever this is to hear me. Now, whenever I crouch, it won't be able to hear me. Whatever it is, hopefully it's not going to eat me alive or, So let's just sneak down these stairs. It sounds like it's coming from down here. Okay. Oh my gosh, that sounds like it's coming from the bathroom. What is it? I need to get my sword. Okay, I need to get my iron sword here. Okay, let's... Come on. Is this my... No. Okay. Alright, let's sneak around the corner. Sounds like it's coming from Wolfie's studio. Alright. Brace yourselves for what nightmare it could be. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is that in there?
Who's there? Who's there? Who's there?
It's a nightmare! It's a nightmare! I can't see because I'm in the wrong field! Wait. But I'm right here! No. Ah! Oh.